It's unfortunate, but you know, that's life. Things like that happen. This is my first time doing oven ribs.
There we go. 1, 2, 3. Spin.
You're not gonna need my help?
Like I said, I'm not gonna be able to do everything.
You're not gonna be able to do everything for what? What you mean? What's up, y'all? It is the next day, Saturday. I am heading to Home Depot. Depending on how I do the vlog, y'all probably saw the clip before this was Dwayne outside doing some yard work. We had decided to get the yard together because, for one, y'all know we're doing Freeman's birthday party at the house, and we're going to be utilizing the backyard. And so definitely had to go ahead and get some things done. So one of the things we were trying to do is trim the trees that are long overdue. So that's what y'all saw Dwayne doing. I was supposed to be helping him, but he went out there and started doing it on his own. Well, he started off mowing the grass, and he ended up doing that because we had already discussed that we was going to be trimming the trees and stuff like that. We just didn't plan on doing it today, but anyway, ended up working out like that. So I'm on my way to Home Depot. I'm getting some foam boards, but then I'm also probably get like a shovel or whatever, just so we can kind of finish up some of the stuff in the backyard. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get to it all today, but we're gonna try to do as much of it as possible. Just really getting that backyard together. Y'all know we had dogs and all that, so our backyard it's been dying for some work. But yeah, I actually had a booking today, which is why I got on my uniform, but it ended up getting canceled this morning because the client had a death in their family this morning, or last night I think. And so it's unfortunate, but you know, that's life. Things like that happen, and you just gotta roll with the punches. So whenever the client is ready, we'll just rebook or reschedule at a later date or whatever. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna take advantage of the rest of the day. My hair, if y'all can tell, I took it down. It was needed. I had my hair up for 6 weeks. Yes, 6 weeks. Normally my crochet lasts me about that long, but yeah, I had to go ahead and take it down because my scalp is ready for some soap and water. So I'm gonna do that today. When I get back to the house and we get done with the yard, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and everything like that, and get that going. I do want to get my hair done in the next few weeks because one, Easter is coming up, and then y'all know our annual women's convention is coming up, so I want to get my hair done for that. But I got a few weeks in between, so I'm gonna just give my hair a break, just wear my natural hair, let it breathe, since it's been up for the last 6 weeks. So that's the plan and everything like that. But I am almost to Home Depot. Hopefully it don't take long to go in here and get what I need to get. Like I said, I'm gonna get 2 foam boards. I don't know why I said I'm not getting 2 foam boards. I'm getting 1 foam board, and I'm getting a shovel. At least that's all I believe I'm getting. I might get some trash bags too, like the outside trash bags. I might get some of those too, because we got leaves all over that backyard. And then of course, because we got all of the trimmings from the tree, we probably break that down even further and put them in the trash bag so they can get dumped. Because we missed, yeah, this week was our bulk week, so it won't happen again until next month. So we'll have to just break it down even more. But anyway, I'm rambling at this point. I'm almost to Home Depot. Hopefully I can get in here and find what I need quickly. Oh, throw them in the basket. saying. Well, I need to see if they got the detergent I need. Keep forgetting they sell detergent in here. How much is this detergent? Cause Freeman needs some detergent. $15.97. Let me price check. Whew, yeah, it's hot outside. I say that every time I get on this camera. Whew, okay. But we got what we needed. It took me a little bit longer than expected because I couldn't find the foaming board. I didn't buy. I think they redesigned this store because I didn't came to this store before and bought foaming board, but it wasn't that difficult to find. I think they rearranged this store. I believe this is before I shopped it. But needless to say, I got what I need. Now it's time to head home. Get the lead. Okay, I will get on camera, but I'm looking a mess right now. But just wanted to show y'all these ribs. Whew, they look good and seasoned. They smell good too. But I'm about to put these ribs in this foil pan, wrap them up with some foil, and then put them in the oven for the next 2 hours. And once they come out, I'm gonna baste them with some barbecue sauce, then pop them back in for probably like another 45 minutes. And these ribs gonna be good and done. This is my first time doing oven ribs, so I want to vlog it so y'all can see how they come out. Just in case they come out real good. But anyway.
Okay, the dino.
I will help y'all. I'll help y'all crack.
It's a dino.
Oh, okay.
It's like a T-Rex. 1, 2. Oh, what happens?
Alright, y'all ready? First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pour pancake mix. Make sure you cover your mouth while you're cooking.
Sugar. Flour.
Flour. Yeah, straight with pancake flour.
It's not like we mix sour goose. Flour.
Put it in the bowl. Then it's gonna be first your turn. Pour it in the bowl. Ooh, good job.
Let's mix.
Hold on.
Don't clean the table.
Thank you. Good job. We're gonna clean as we go. Okay. Hold on. We're gonna add some milk.
Milk.
Be very careful. Pour it in there carefully. Good job. Okay.
It makes buttermilk. Buttermilk.
That's a chicken egg, not a dino egg, baby. We don't eat dinosaurs. Your turn, Bridget.
I want dinosaur pancakes.
Mommy don't know how to make dinosaur pancakes. Okay.
I know.
Here.
It's with mix some.
Hit the egg on the counter. Wait, one at a time. Oh, you want to do it on both? No, wait. Do it on the counter so you'll get no shells in there. Okay, well, come on. We'll do it together. You crack it. Okay.
It's a lemon.
Okay.
It's you. My turn. It's you.
Do it on the counter. Try to try.
It's you.
Okay. You crack it. Hold on. Let me help you.
It's yolk. Let's see. See? It's an apple
Pour it in
juice.
there.
It's called a yolk.
Good job. It's called a yolk.
Why is the yolk so stinky?
It's the yolk of the egg. Where does eggs come from? What animal does an egg come from?
Chicken.
Chicken. Good job.
And hens too.
That's right. Chickens do eggs.
Wait, one more. Really? Egg?
Oh, gotta put a dash of cinnamon.
Let's see. Cinnamon. No.
Yep.
What are you doing?
Okay, here. It's your turn. Cover your mouth, please. When you can't cough over the food. Come on. Stare.
Yeah. What the?
Come on, stare.
That's it.
Yeah. Be careful. Hold on, Fred. You have a turn to stare. Plenty of time to stare.
My turn. Yeah. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Spin. Wow, don't spin too fast. Spin slow. You can't all over the buildings. Mix.
Mix till it's well combined.
Sugar. Flour.
That's right, flour.
Flour you want. Right, don't mix it too fast. Mix it so fast. Mix so fast. It's in the forest.
Okay.
Daddy will love it.
Daddy will love it.
Yes. Yes. A lot. And the flowers and milk.
All right, I think we're ready.
The cooking pan.
Yep, we got a pan on. We gotta make sure it's hot so it'll cook the pancakes just right.
I won't do it.
I'm gonna let y'all pour the pancakes in the bowl in the pan.
And I will scissor it.
Don't touch the stove. Mommy gonna help you hold the bowl, okay? Ready? Let's go. Okay. That's enough. Okay. Okay. Let's get a spatula. Cover your mouth, Frederick.
Yay!
A spatula.
What?
We're gonna flip it. Here.
We're gonna flip it. Oh.
Hold on, it's not ready yet. Ready?
Flip. Ooh, that's perfect. It's pancake.
Yeah, man, that looks good, don't it? Don't touch the stove, it's hot. Hold on, Frederick, your turn coming soon.
I am a chef. Yay!
Chef.
Yeah. I'm a chef too.
Y'all are great chefs. Alright, let Frederick cook. Don't pour the whole bowl, boy. Okay. Let it go. That's enough. Don't touch the stove. Don't touch the stove.
Pancake.
And flip. Perfect.
We did it.
We
It's
did it.
pancake. Huh? Again. It's ready.
I'm gonna give you two. You start off with two. High five. Y'all did a great job.
Come here. 1, 2 pancakes for me.